Kinze. It's got, on the pushers, it's got one spade, one rubber closing wheel. The gauge wheels are pretty decent. The metal is good. I think the metal's all passable, okay? The bevel's starting to leave the openers. No-tills are good. Bearing's good for the most part. It's got Kinze no-till on it. You can see by the transport here, it's good. It's got the marker tires on it. That's all clean down there. Got bead meters in the planter. Got no-tills on the back rows as well. Looks like it come out of Illinois. It's got all Spade closing wheels. These are those Yetter deals on the back, on both sides. Touch of play in the gauge wheels, but not bad. The row units are good. You can see the shanks. They're in good shape. Some of these tabs got a little tack to them, but hey, it's a pretty straight planter. Let's look up here. I think I saw there was so there is a little plate right there where they normally break, right above the 3600. You'll see that right there. That's very normal. Right above the serial number. Usually the serial number lose it, but it's on there good. Other than that, the lockdowns look good. I think the markers look good in general. I don't think I missed anything. We just cleaned it up. I wanted to do a quick once over. But metal-wise and everything, pretty decent planter. It's got a lot of extra equipment on, like this right here. There's a little loose in a couple of these closing wheels. Not all of it. I just saw that one. Looks like there's a bearing. Might need a bearing in it. So we did not do anything as far as going over it. That's what you see. The pedestal right here does have a small weld, which is very normal. When they slam them too hard, it got cracked, so they re-welded the pedestal where it locks the planter in. But all pretty well normal wear, I think. This marker on this side may have had some re-weld right there on the one gusset. It looks like they just maybe had a crack, and then I don't know if you can see it right up there. But just very small little things that you see on a planter of this age. And but you can see it's good and straight.